Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use ExRideShare on your mobile phone. So I just recorded me actually demoing everything on a mobile phone, and this will be a great video, so let's jump right in. So pretty much right now I'm going to show you guys how to use ExRideShare on your mobile device. So first I'm going to show you how to create the shortcut. Next I'm going to show you guys how to create a carpool. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile and then delete the carpool as well. So first, let's actually create the mobile shortcut. So what this is going to actually help us do is it's just going to help us create an easy way just to go to ExRideShare. So it kind of works as a mobile app. So what we can actually do is we can go to Google Chrome and we can actually type in apps for school. And this is the ecosystem in which all of these applications that I create for schools are in. So now if we just hit this second one and scroll down, you can see we have ExRideShare right here. Just hit check it out and it's going to take you to the ExRideShare website. So now just hit this sign up button if you haven't already signed up and just enter all your information. Once you're done, it's going to redirect you to this sign in page, and then you can just enter username and password. So today I'm just going to go on my dad's account, let's say. Okay, so just enter your name and then your password, and then it's going to actually redirect you to your ExRideShare account. So let's just wait a few seconds. And this might just take a little bit longer just if you have a lot of carpools, but you can see it loaded fairly quickly just because there aren't carpools on our page. This is just because the school year hasn't started yet, but yeah. So let's actually add this to our homepage. So you just want to hit these three dots and then just hit add to home screen. Just hit add, and then now it's actually added to your home screen. So you can see it's right there. So now, for example, let's just hit this, and then we just go to our to the page. So yes, you can see it's right here. And now let's actually do some stuff on here. So let's just create a carpool. So let's just call this 2, and then just set the leaving time to, let's say, 4:55, or let's just say 5 or 4. Here, let's just set this right here. It's probably gonna be simpler. Sorry about that. Alright, and then now let's just do the same thing for this, except we'll just say 5:54. You know, it's just a test carpool, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to delete it after. Okay, so just hit this create button, and it's going to actually load your carpool. One nice feature of ExRideShare is it actually clears all the carpools, or it doesn't show the carpools that are already that the deadline is already over. So the carpool is still there. It'll show you the next day, but it just doesn't show it now. So that's why I kind of just put it a little bit later, just to be safe, in case, like, if I just put it at 4:55 and then it turned 4:56, then the carpool wouldn't show up. But yeah. So anyways, you can see the carpool here. You can see some information about it, and then other people can join. So yeah, perfect. Now let me show you actually how to delete this carpool. So just hit my carpools, and then you can see your carpool here. You can see how many seats are empty. Nobody actually joined the carpool. And then you can just see the leaving time. Okay, so let's just hit this delete button, and it's going to delete the carpool. So this actually might take a little bit of time just because it has to send an SMS to everybody who joined the carpool and also yourself. So right now it's just sending an SMS to myself, and then it's going to load back our account. So just wait a few seconds, and it should load. And one thing that you probably notice is it hasn't sent an SMS to this phone, even though I'm on the account. This is just because I'm not on my dad's phone, which has that phone number. So just to inform you. So now you can see that the carpool is not there, and perfect. So it's deleted. the last thing that you probably want to know is how to edit your profile. So, for example, next year I'm going into middle school, so I have to change my school. So you just want to hit this three lines and then just hit this edit profile. So the address is blurred out for obvious reasons, but you can see you can edit these different things. And yeah, so just hit save, and then it's going to redirect you back to your ExRideShare. But yeah, so we learned how to add the shortcut, we learned how to create carpools, we learned how to delete carpools, and then we also learned how to edit our profile. So those are pretty much the main functionalities of the beta version of ExRideShare. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have not already signed up to ExRideShare, I would highly recommend to do so. And if you already have, once the school year starts, you can start posting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, peace.